Welcome back to PNP Chips. It's me, Prashita, and today I have my little sister, Pranchi, with me. Say hi to everybody.
Hi, everybody.
So today we will be reviewing the Keia's Treehouse toy from Disney Junior Puppy Dog Pals. So this is what the toy looks like. I can see it has a treehouse and it comes with a lot of decorative stuff. Let's take a look at the back. So on the back, it says that this is a two-sided play. That means you can play with it on two sides. It has a spinning balcony. It has a working elevator. The front door opens and you can bounce on the chair. This treehouse includes the treehouse, Keia, food dispenser, food bowl, flower shower, chair, and brush. So let's open it. Let's open it, Pranchi. Are you ready? Let's do it. I have scissors. Oh my god. I'm going to cut it. Like, woohoo! I opened it. We don't need that. So this is the tree house. I see.
I see my tree house.
And here are all the things.
What are you doing?
Stuff is popping out everywhere.
I want to die you.
Oh, you want to try?
Yes. I can.
Okay,
What are these?
so we have things out, but I got Keia. Here you go, Pranchi. Keia. Now it's time for the bridge.
Ma, ito, mami, balik ko. It's okay.
Oof. There you go. Whatever this is.
Yum,
It
yum.
doesn't include what the bridge says. And now it's time for the playhouse.
Ma, tayo.
How do we get this off? Let's see.
Come on.
So we opened the toy and we have all of the things out. Here's the flower shower, the water dispenser, the food bowl, the brush, the little seat that you can bounce on, Keia, and this is the playhouse. So in the playhouse there's a cat in the window and the front door opens, and since this is two-side play, there's a back. It has a working elevator and a spinning balcony. Let's put all of these things inside. I think the flower shower would go whoop right in there. This bridge probably goes like this. What else has a heart for a button? And then so let's put in the flower shower. I'm going to put it right here, the flower shower. And now we're going to move on here. Pranchi, where do you want to put Keia in the house?
I would be ready.
Up here?
Yes.
Okay, put it up. Okay, so let's put Keia. Wait, wrong one.
Tree house.
Keia is on there. Now we're going to put the sofa here, so then she can bounce. And oops! Here, I'll try again.
No.
We'll put her water dispenser and her food bowl here, and we'll put her brush up there, and we'll put the bridge underneath this, so then it'll lock in place. It's all ready to play. Let's play.
Okay.
So,
Pick the house. I do one. Yes. Good.
so me and Pranchi had a lot of fun with this toy, and we enjoyed playing with it a lot. if I would have to rate this toy, I would rate it like a 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10 because like it didn't come with much supplies and there's a little too small of a space inside of the treehouse, and the Keia doll is a little big, so it doesn't really fit that well. Or else, and overall, it's pretty good. I hope you liked this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye!